Alright, we're gonna keep it short and simple here. Let's catch some fish. Yep, there we go. Alright, get up here. Another very solid crappie. Alright, there we go. Beautiful little white crappie. Probably 9.5 inches, I'd say. Once again, right away, another one. Oh, man. Oh, that's a good one. Good fish. That is what I'm talking about. That is a chunk. Look at that fish. Beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. Ho ho ho, he's biting. Oh, this is a big old bluegill. I was gonna say, that felt like a big crappie, but there we go. That is not too bad. Heck yeah. There we go. Little guy now. Itty bitty guy, probably 6.5 inches, but actually learn these guys do a lot of the breeding, so get him back real quick. Got him. Alright, there we are. Another eater, nothing crazy. Alright, there we go. Another 8.5, 9 incher. Hey, might, yeah, not super big, might not be an eater, might not keep, but he's close. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. This one might be a pretty good one. Oh yeah. That's a chunk. Oh yeah. There we go. Absolute beauty. Good chunky healthy fish. Yep, there we go. There's a bluegill. Yep, that's a bluegill. Chunky one though. I was gonna say, didn't look like a very big one, but there we go. Got this one again too. I think this is a bluegill as well. Oh no, it's a little crappie. Alright, there's some small crappie mixed in with some bigger bluegill, looks like. Alright. Let's get back up to them. There we are. What do we have here? Doesn't feel very big. Yep, little crappie. Probably 7.5. Yeah, there we go. Oh, and that wasn't even the biggest one. There was a huge one. Woo. Oh man, this was good size. There was a monster next to him. It was a good sized crappie, but man, that might have been a 13, 14-inch fish. The other one that this one beat it to. Still, not complaining though. Gorgeous, healthy white crappie. Yep, there we go. Oh, no, we can't. Nope, I still got him. Oh, he's not that big. All right, there we are.